you doing, Miss Tiffany?
I'm good, and yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good. Thank you for joining the live tonight. How
All
can
right.
we help you?
Yeah, so uh I'm going through a situation right now, and definitely want to let y'all know about this because take it from my experience, it's just have the money up front, get the deposit. So right now
Right.
I'm going through a theft of services situation where oh yeah,
Mm.
where pretty much I got hired to do a kitchen clean for a nursing facility here in
Mhm.
my state of Massachusetts.
Mhm.
And he contacted us way long time ago in March, but of course our price was too high for him at the time.
Mhm.
But suddenly he contacted us back up again, and they're going through the process of licensing for the board of health and all that, so of course they gotta have their kitchen cleaned.
Mhm.
Was so much a long time. I said, we're gonna have to do a new quote. That quote does not stand still. I have to come back out, do a walkthrough, which was fine, everything. I gave him new quote, everything was fine. I subcontracted the work out, two guys. They were really good. They did the work. The next day when I followed up, they were there for a long time too, mind you. They were there from like 7 to like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So everything was fine on their end. They said they did everything that they could, and they took pictures. I seen it was really well from before it was. I contacted the director of the facility. He told me he's not, he's dissatisfied. He just didn't like it. It was not what he wanted. So me and my husband, we went back to do another walkthrough to look everything and to describe specifically what he wanted us to do redone over again.
Mhm.
He said whatever it was, this wall needed to be done, this one needed to be done. But I said, everything has to be clear because they have coming in here with pressure washers. Everything's going to get drenched in water. They said,
Right.
fine, move everything. And we have a description of everything. I told him we were going to have to charge a recharge to come back out, and another price because we're sending contractors back over there. He said, fine, that's cool. So the next week or so, we had the contractors come back again. This time I went there to manage everything, make sure everything was done and pleasantly and everything like that.
Mhm.
Make sure everything was fine. I went there. I mean, I followed up with him the next day. And he said everything was so great. It looks better. But there's another thing that was wrong. Something about which was the paint was chipping off when the pressure washer was going to the wall. And
Mhm.
I told him about that. But apparently, I guess it was just way over his head. He's just got a lot of things going on. He was just dissatisfied. So
Right.
at this point, I did not collect the invoice from the first one. The second one is still up in air. Um, and now here I am. It's almost been a week now. No call, not picking up my phone call, forwarding off phone calls, looking at the emails because I can see when they view it, but not responding. It's just a learning lesson to me. And any advice you could give would be
Like
helpful.
when are they supposed to pay you?
Well, he told me they were going to do check, that the owners of the facility were going to mail us a check. But nothing of that nature has been established of them
So
sending.
what is it supposed to be a net 15, net 30, same day?
It was supposed to be pretty much after the services were rendered, they would send out a check, mail it. I told them, we have jobbers, so they're able to put a card on there. But I guess they want to do by mail, or I mean by check. But even so, they haven't really talked more about the payment when I was talking with him. So that's like a no for me that I should have had. Um,
You had a service agreement though, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We had a service agreement. They signed it via Jobber. Everything was, pretty much substantiated, but
Right. And you took pictures of the job before and after. You got videos and everything, right?
oh yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Got them
So
while they're working.
I wouldn't stop fighting for your money. Sometimes you got to pull up on them. Like we have certain protocols whenever this happens. Like we send an email, they're not responding to emails, we phone call. If they're not responding to the phone call, then it's time to pull up. They got to see me face to face. So is this a situation where you can pull up on site and talk to someone that's in the office or no?
That's the thing. I don't know because he will probably redirect the situation. Like he'll send somebody down to say he's not available, or he just won't show. It's like a
But
iffy
did,
situation.
but did you try it before?
No, I didn't. No.
Well, how you know what's going to happen?
Yeah, that's
You see
true.
what I'm saying? How you know? That's the next protocol. You got to go there. So it's email, phone call, show up, and this is a face-to-face conversation. If the face-to-face don't work, then you must threaten them with a letter from a lawyer, and it's just a letter. But a lot of times when they get that letter, they tighten up real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. I had a situation where a lady said that she sent them a letter for like a lien on the property, and she almost got her money immediately when they read the letter. You understand? I know AJ Simmons, his cousin is a lawyer, and I always refer people to him because he's the one who sent one of my people in the community a letter. He gave the lady a letter to send to a client that wasn't paying her. And when she sent the letter, she almost immediately got paid.
Mm.
Okay, so that would be the next step. But never be afraid to confront somebody about your money. Okay. I feel like the reason you didn't pull up yet is probably because you ain't got enough people upset about not getting paid. So
Yeah,
when you
that's
if
true.
you got a whole team to pay, oh no,
But
that's
I
another type of another level. You gonna give
That's
me my money.
another thing too, because I already had paid the subcontractors. You know,
See what I'm saying? You already done paid them. But
yeah,
what if you didn't have the money to pay him and you was waiting on him to pay? You know what I'm
true.
saying? That's another level of anger right there that puts another fire behind underneath you to get up and go knock on some doors. Go ding dong. Y'all need to see me about this.
Right,
Okay.
right.
And if that don't happen, I do that once or twice. Now I got to take it to a lawyer.
Absolutely,
Okay,
absolutely.
because you already did everything. You got your proof. You got your service agreement. Okay, so that's the next step. But that's what you need to do. Y'all did the money. You gotta take it to that other level. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
that's what I would do if I was you.
Thank you.